is August 8th,
September.
September 8th, 2006. We already had this pressure tested at 30 pounds. It held. It's safe. Now, we're taking this water, and I'm going to pour a couple glasses of water. This is tap water from Sterling Heights. I'm going to drink it. Okay? Now, if anybody else wants to drink it, fine. If you don't, I'm going to continue the experiment.
Okay.
Anybody want to drink it? All right. All I'm going to do here is fill up this tank with this water. Any leaks?
Not that are visible.
It would help if I opened the valve right down there, you know? It would help. All right. You hear it going in there? Yeah, it's going in there. Okay. Let's get water away. Basically, I'm going to give it a video why this thing's filling up with water. No, it's not coming.
Yeah.
No, it isn't. It's jammed. I need some more pressure.
Here it goes. Want me to hold it up there?
No, I want to get right about there real quick.
It's coming.
Okay, we are going to disassociate the water molecules instantly, like this guy was showing me how to do, basically, and turn it into fuel. Okay, that's what we're. Go ahead.
The other valve is on.
Leave that valve alone.
Okay.
The valve's supposed to be right there. Now it's safe up to 15 pounds. Okay? It's safe up to 15 pounds. Do you see the bubbles coming out?
Yeah.
Now bring that camera up here.
I'm going to zoom in on it.
You guys can come and take a look at it.
I can zoom way in on it, Tone.
Just bring it up close so you can see
Oh
it.
my
I don't have
God.
the-
You won't get the resolution.
Okay. I'll disconnect.
Oh, okay, just zoom that.
So this energy from this pro cell.
No questions, Karen. This is not a question and answer.
Okay.
This is just a demonstration. Yeah, here's your glasses. Here's a pair of glasses. I bought these at at an outlet store, real cheap. Here, Karen, your glasses. When it gets to 15 pounds, everybody's got to put their glasses on. There, take your glasses. Set my glasses right here.
Okay.
Because this is an explosive gas we're producing. See, the needle hasn't moved yet, but it will jump up pretty soon to about half. You see the fuel coming up?
Yes,
Can you see that from where you're at?
absolutely.
Yes, that's fuel. Can't have no cell phones here, you guys. Ron, you got your cell phone with you?
No, it's over there.
Okay. Working real good now.
Now those glasses, Ron, you might want to put yours on too.
It's safe up to 15 pounds, although this whole liquid could explode. If it's shorted out, it could. You got a bad pair of glasses, Dad? Here. Everybody check your glasses. You want these, Dad? What do you want these? Because I bought these, secondhand. You can walk up to it, Ryan. It's pretty safe. Now let me get this computer going. Okay, you guys got that figured out now, Greg?
Yes, you want to see the resolution on here?
No. I just want to see this needle jump to about a half a pound, which it should any second now. And then I'm going to move this into a different area while we do this.
There it jumped.
See the needle jump?
Yep.
Okay, so now I'm going to disconnect this and transfer it to a safer location for right now.
Want me to help you?
No.
Now our phones are over there.
Very good. Bring them back. Bring them back over here. Very good, Ron.
Ron, will you be my
Yeah. We don't need the glasses here.
We need our glasses on still?
No, you're safe now. So,
Is it still working, Tony?
no, I gotta keep turning it back on.
Should I go on
Is it because of
standby?
The
Well,
computer?
It's the software, it's the software. But I might be able to fix it. Well, it could be the compressor for the cooling system.
The
Well,
computer?
It's the software, it's the software. But I might be able to fix it. Well, it could be the compressor for the cooling system. I'm letting it run. We're taking risks here. Sometimes you must take a risk. This is an implosion device. This implodes the hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen don't explode, it implodes, but it creates a lot of heat, which gives you a lot of, that's what we're doing. This thing is picking up some kind of radiation from a cell phone, and I think it's mine. I'm the biggest,
Put in my purse.
no, it ain't going for it. So we go right over here with this cool. That was all that noise. Okay, hydrogen and oxygen implodes, it doesn't explode. But it produces a tremendous amount of heat, which expands the air, okay? It expands the molecules even though they're imploding. So this is a pipe bomb. It's a two-chamber bomb like a piston on a cylinder engine. We're gonna blow off both cylinders at one time, okay? This is a relief safety valve, so it's not gonna explode and hurt us, hopefully. I've tested it a numerous amount of times and it works. So we're gonna test it right now. I'm gonna explode it right over there. If you guys are afraid, stand over there when I'm ready. Okay, do you guys wanna see me load it up?
Yeah.
It's dangerous over here, but I'm gonna load it up. Oh, the grease coming off is cheap. I gotta get better stuff. Okay, I don't wanna get into it. I'm gonna load this up. I don't know what's going on. weird just happened. It was not supposed to be happening.
The valve on it.
Okay, we're all right. All right, everybody back to your positions.
Did you fill that up already?
Yes.
Just that little,
I'm gonna shut that thing off.
now how many pounds of pressure is in there?
Well, 25.
25 pounds of pressure from that little,
Yes. No questions now.
Sit down, Karen, be still.
I'm on the damn door.
For me, but what the hell am I doing here? Oh yeah. What's going on here? Oh, of course I put it in the wrong position. So I go here. Oh, it's gonna explode now. What the hell's going on? There was air in that line. That's what it was. There was air in there.
I'm sitting right here.
Can't smoke it. Many times. I can't even believe what's happening. The only thing I'm thinking of is it's hot and there's moisture mixed in and it's not igniting, but that shouldn't be it. I can't begin to tell you guys how sorry I am.
You don't have to be sorry.
No, it's,
Tony. Could be another day we can come. I know you told me that you had it working perfect.
You think I would have set this up?
I know, listen.
You think I would have set this up? Oh,
it couldn't.
I put too much water in there. There's water in that line. How did water get in that line? Oh, when I turned it
I told you to turn the
upside
valve
down.
off because it filled it.
It's filled, both of these are full of water. Okay. Oh, that one should have blew. All right, this one, there's no way it was going to blow. Now the plug is corrupted.
Is this plug corrupted potentially
Look at that.
with moisture
Of course it is.
on the other one?
Well, I assume it is, because it's not firing. So I have to take the plug out, check the heat on this. I can't believe this. That's why that line was vibrating. When I cleaned it out,
That valve should have been shut
No.
off because that hose was hanging down, so it
I didn't
filled.
purge the valve. The line, the yellow line is full of water. That's the problem, right here.
Okay.
This line is full of water, but I don't want to waste my fuel. So I'm screwed. So I need to transport this line over to here. That's what I need to do. I need to blow this line out. All is not lost. I need to turn that off, take this line off, and blow it out and transport it over here.
Okay.
How are you gonna do that?
I can do it, I have the tools. But I may not have to do it, because I might have to do all, let me clean the plug first. Ah, shit.
You got 30 pounds in that?
Nah, not quite.
Dad, hold your ear.
What?
Hold them. A little
It's
pop.
a little baby, see, because it's full.
Hold them. Hold them. Hold them.
doing?
What the hell am I doing?
Okay?
That was great. How many pound pressure was that?
30.
Holy shit.
Now, I'm going up to 200.
Not now.
Not now. But the next one I build is going up to 200. Then we're going to have something. That's when it happens. But I got to build it.
Well, let's build it.
Well, do we want it?
I don't
need that. It's got fructose in it. It's very. Okay?
That was great. How many pound pressure was that?
30.
Holy shit.
Now, I'm going up to 200.
Not now.
Not now. But the next one I build is going up to 200. Then we're going to have something. That's when it happens. But I got to build it.
Well, let's build it.
Well, do we want to, I
Should we
got
build it
five.
ourselves? Yes.